What is up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be discussing the top 5 side hustles for teenagers. If you're new to the channel, my name's Tyler Wise, and I like to show people how they can start to make money online, or just any other way they want to make money. So typically, in most of my videos, they're normally designed around adults. Well, today is a little different. Today, we're going to be discussing just teenager side hustles. So, I'm not going to be discussing anything about mowing a lawn or anything like that. This is all ways to make money online, even if you are a teenager. So without further ado, let's jump into it, and I hope you guys enjoy today's video. Alright, so at number 1, we have Fiverr. Used to my channel, you know I talk about Fiverr all the time. Basically, Fiverr is a freelancing website. Basically, Freelancer is a freelance marketplace where you can go on there and offer your skills to different people and get paid in return. So, a lot of people do, they do graphic design. So you can go on there, people can hire you to make a design, or you can make YouTube thumbnails for someone. It all depends on what your skill set is. And I don't know what your skill set may be, but that's the best part about Fiverr is you could be really good at something and then, people can just hire you to do that. So I do recommend checking out Fiverr. It is an amazing website, and the best part is you can be just 13 years old and get started as a seller on Fiverr. So that's why it's my number 1, my go-to for this list. And number 2, we have flipping items on eBay. So flipping has become more of a popular side hustle nowadays. Doesn't matter what platform it's on, but we're going to be discussing eBay. So what a lot of people do is they'll go to secondhand stores like Marshall's. They'll find shoes that are popular and then they'll resell them for about double or triple the price. So, what you would need, this one does require a little bit more of research, but if you can become really good at it, you can make it a full-time income if that's really what you wanted to do. So check it out. And number 3, we have selling on Etsy. So this is also similar to Fiverr, where it kind of depends on what your skill set is. Maybe, you have a teenager who is, very good at crafts. You can go on there and you can start selling your crafts to any customer that could be interested in. I know for myself, I love buying things off of Etsy. Typically, I like to buy things from like my favorite TV shows, like for example, Invincible, or just gifts for people, because it feels more intimate and personal for people. So that's why I love Etsy. So the best part is anyone can do this. You don't have to have a certain skill set. I've talked about Etsy before. Passive income. It's a great way to make passive income if you can set up a digital download, for example. But if you don't do that, and you're more of a hands-on person where you're crafting items, Etsy is the place for you. At number 4, we have print on demand. So print on demand is when you upload designs that you've created to either Merch by Amazon or Teespring, for example, and basically they do all the shipping for you. You're only responsible for making the design. So if you have a teenager, if you are a teenager, I guess. So if you have a teenager, or if you are a teenager, and you want to start making money online, start, making some designs that you think would be popular, that you think would be good on a t-shirt or maybe on a pillow or something like that. The best part about these print-on-demand stores is it doesn't have to just be a t-shirt. It can be a cup, for example. You can have world's best mom or dad or something silly, something corny. People love that corny stuff and they will buy it. Yes, print-on-demand is amazing. All you are responsible for is creating the design, and it is a passive income source. So all you have to do is create the design, upload it, and then they do the rest for you. They will ship it out to the customer as soon as it is bought on your website that you create. So Amazon Merch or Teespring will ship it out for you, so you never even have to touch the physical product at all. They don't even craft the item until they know that someone bought it. So that's amazing. And then, you can get paid via PayPal. So that's really convenient for people, especially if you aren't in a country and you can't make a bank account or something like that. So, print on demand, check it out, it's amazing. Teespring.com, Amazon Merch. At number 5, we have starting a YouTube channel. So, this should come as no surprise, YouTube is an amazing way to make money online. Look at PewDiePie, look at Logan Paul or Jake Paul, they are millionaires now all because of YouTube, all because of their YouTube presence and how many views they're getting. Even David Dobrik, who just vlogs and tells people about his day-to-day life. Millionaires. So the best part about YouTube is it's also a passive income stream. All you are responsible for is creating amazing content that you think is going to be entertaining. Upload it, and then once you've reached the qualifications to be monetized, for example, you will need, once you've reached the qualifications to be monetized, which is 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, you will be able to monetize your videos. And they will make you money while you just run in the background. You could be out spending some time on the vacation. You can be out spending time on the beach, for example, and you'll still be making money because people are going to be watching your videos. So if you have a knack for being popular on the internet, I would definitely try starting a YouTube channel. Even if you don't, if you think you can come up with an idea that would be entertaining for other people to watch, start a YouTube channel. And I would start it immediately because there are more and more people getting out there and starting YouTube channels every day. So the sooner the better. But anyways, guys, that was my list for the best side hustles for teenagers. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Tyler Wise, and I hope you liked this video. If you would like to see more videos just like this, comment down below your thoughts. I do enjoy making these lists for you guys. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.